Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make faux brisket. Toast star anise, cloves, cinnamon, coriander, and cardamom until fragrant, then char onion and ginger for depth. Add beef bones, brisket, water, fish sauce, and rock sugar, then simmer gently and skim foam regularly. Taste and adjust salt and fish sauce late in cooking. Strain the broth clear before assembling bowls with noodles, sliced brisket, herbs, and lime. Make a deeply flavored broth by roasting bones briefly, then simmering with charred aromatics and whole spices for at least 4 hours. Keep the heat low so the liquid stays glossy rather than cloudy, and gently skim any scum that rises. Use fish sauce and a small pinch of rock sugar to balance savory and sweet. Strain through a fine sieve, then adjust seasoning with salt and more fish sauce if needed. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep sharing recipes. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes while cooking because it's splash-resistant, compact, and holds thousands of cookbooks, perfect for small kitchens and busy cooks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want a dedicated recipe reader. Now let's get back to the video. Braise the brisket submerged in simmering broth until very tender, then rest and slice thin across the grain for best texture. Prepare rice noodles just before serving so they stay springy. Drain and place in bowls. Reheat strained broth to a vigorous simmer and pour over noodles and brisket so thin raw slices finish cooking. Garnish with Thai basil, cilantro, lime wedges, bean sprouts, and sliced chili for bright contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.